Build-A-Bear.
What?
Are we allowed to go to Build-A-Bear? Because you said every birthday I'll get a toy with Sam.
Build-A-Bear. We're not in Build-A-Bear.
But you said I could.
I'm looking at the rucksack. You want to go Build-A-Bear next?
Yes! No, Build-A-Bear.
Go check out first.
And then Build-A-Bear. Build-A-Bear.
You want to go Build-A-Bear? It's red. Oh. Come on, Eliza. You can go in. It's red though. Red.
We have masks on. They're not going to stand there. Go, come here. You can. Stand there.
It's red.
Wait, come on. No, you stand.
What do you want?
Ask her which one is the birthday one.
Buy one, get one for £8.
If you can get a birthday one for £6, but then it goes over.
How much?
£8.
£30.
£29. Are we allowed to get
That's it, no clothes.
some?
No clothes, that's enough £30.
But then I was 30. No, earlier then. No,
Don't be greedy.
you've only got 2 bears. No.
Hey, alright, put them both back.
They get Baby Yoda because they only one.
What?
No clue.
Go on then. Stand in the queue. Turn around.
Look in the bunny.
Fluff in the bunny. You have to wait till they call you.
Ready to blow up.
Oh, it won't be long. Where's your teddy? Oh, you got something else now, isn't it? What did you get? Pikachu. You put heart in. Put one in. Annie, you put yours in yours. Yeah, you put hearts in them there. Now you're going to fill them up. Warm. How warm? Let's have a look. Yeah, it is. Fluff is warm. It's friction. To the friction. Oh, yeah. Heats it up. Yeah, you're going to use the machine to name them. What are you going to name yours? You name it Sammy? You're going to name yours Eliza? Peter Rabbit? Like the school one? Right, go name it. Annie, you do it for her.
I'll do it first. Mine first. This tag.
Well, who's going to do it first?
Me.
What are you doing? Put the way around.
Scan the barcode.
Have you done it? He's doing it like this.
Ah. Mommy.
You've done it, haven't you? I thought you did it. He's done it. Yeah, he's doing it.
I'm scanning it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You already scanned it. Your name? Your name?
Zero.
You're just making crap up now.
This is it. Reception's first.
Your name, Anika. What are you doing? Do Eliza properly. Print.
You calling it Dolan? Need to make those pictures.
Black, yellow. Belongs to Pikachu.
Print
Call
then.
it Pikachu.
The red one.
Ready, I'll pick it up.
Yeah, it's done it.
What's your
What do you call it, Eliza?
Peter.
Good, but-
Peter Rabbit, let me, Daddy.
Oh, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Because I don't want it like yours. Well, I was going to write it. Rabbit.
Is that right?
This next. Let's continue.
Is this your?
No, it's not.
Don't matter.
First name.
Anika. I mean Eliza.
I accidentally put my first name as Peter.
Wow, really?
I'm putting your name.
Just put Peter the very good rabbit.
I put it.
Peter the very good rabbit.
Age.
100.
0.
6.
Yeah.
Girl.
Your nails are so long it's not pressed.
What are you doing?
No.
Oh, from Eliza to Eliza.
Let's delete.
Eli. He's gonna say from Eliza.
Yeah, is that right?
I think yeah. To Eliza. To Eliza. Stuffed toy with the bag Eliza.
Now, shall I print it then?
Please. Sweet.
Right, scan it.
Right,
Go on, Eliza.
it's my sister's turn. Say, oh
Right,
yeah.
scan that tag under there. Scan it.
Let's have a look at your birth certificate. The Pikachu. Let's look at yours. Peter Rabbit.
Oh yes.
Are you happy now?
I didn't choose the sheet.
Are you happy now?
Would you like them in backpacks for £4, boxes for £50 or paper bag?
Yours is going into the box. And your certificate. Are you happy now?
And I got Peter Rabbit.
Are you happy then? Look, that's how they made it. In the fluff machine. £31.50. Go on. What did you get?
Two.
And shoes.
Now I'm going to open our Build-A-Bears. So I'm going to take, you don't want to rip it. Cookie! Wow! Wait. Cookie's mine. Wow, these are the dogs.
What's yours called?
Mine's the date of birth, August 28. Full name Pikachu.
Turn it down.
Height 38 centimeters. 283 grams. Eye color black. Fur color yellow. Belongs to.
Belongs to Pikachu.
My turn. Okay. So here's the Peter. Okay. So Peter 2020 and I got to read it.
Show me yours. Show the bears. Yours is fat, Annie. Let's look at Eliza. That's the same as the school one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it the same as school? What she brought home from school? Eliza.
There's a title still. Build-A-Bear. Where's my name?
Where's your other Build-A-Bears? How many you got?
I don't know.
You have.
What? But you was a kid. When did I get it?
Or did you buy 2 last year as well?
She got 2.
Was it last year or year before?
Last.
So you got 4 Build-A-Bears now. Why did you choose Pikachu? Why didn't you choose a budgie? Hmm? You could have chosen the budgie chew. Why did you choose Pikachu?
I don't know.
Just random. Why did you choose the rabbit?
Because I love bunnies. Because I don't really have.
Why did you get a budgie instead of a bunny?
Because bunnies fly too high. And bunnies are better because they're bigger than anyone.
So that cost me £30. It's got hearts in them.
Can't open it.
Don't open it.
Nah.
Yours is, let's see which one feels.
Mine's better.
Yours is heavy. It's not light. Let's have a look. Yours is very light.
You better feel mine. Mine's so sad.
They're both same.
No, his feels hard.
Yeah, nice and soft.
No.
Nice and soft.
Yeah,
Same.
Mine's better.
Same material.
It's not. This one's different. Mine's better.
Only that swim it.
Yeah, you got a buddy.
Oh, yes.
Pikachu, but that's so old.
It was not.
Pokemon.
Not old.
It is. It used to be doing years ago.
No, it's not old. Brand new.
Anyway, are you happy now?
Oh, I don't know if you should do that. I want to catch it. Money. So what does it say?
It says, happy birthday, Eliza. Peter Rabbit. Eliza. Says your name?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, twice.
Yeah, because you typed it twice. Fun. Right, let me see.